What's going on everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Basically this is the continuation of the previous tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you about how to perform named entity recognition and key phrase extraction using AWS Comprehend. So here we will be using the same resources that we have used in the previous tutorial as well as the same text or same paragraph. So assuming that you already have logged in into the AWS console, once you're logged in, go to the Lambda management console and open the same Lambda function that we have created in the previous tutorial. So that is sentimental Lambda in my case. Then jump to the function code. So this code remains same. So we will comment the sentimental analysis code, that is it's only of one line. So rest of the code remains same since we are reading data from the file that is residing into the S3 bucket. Let's remove this or comment this. So we have already defined the object of the comprehend service. So let's go ahead and code few lines. So first of all, we'll start with the entities. So let's define entities. So it will be comprehend dot detect underscore entities. So again, it is followed by the two parameters, that is one is text equal to paragraph and another is language code. Oops. So in your case it's English. Basically it's only support English and Spanish for now. So let's print out the entities. Then we will go with the key phrases extraction. So let's say key phrase equal to comprehend dot detect underscore key underscore phrases. Again the same parameters, that is text equal to paragraph, language code equal to English en, and let's print key phrase. So entities will give us a noun. Basically it can be a person name or it can be organization, date, quantity, and key phrase will be the kind of intent in the paragraph. So that will be a key phrase. So let's save it. Let's test it. So it successfully ran. So it given a whole bunch of data. So it's hard to view like this. Let's make it viewable properly. So here we will use pprint for pretty printing. Pprint. So let's say pprint entities and pprint key phrase. Let's save it and let's run it once again. Let's go to the logs to have full logs. So as you can see, these are our entities. So that is type date and text is tomorrow, and we have score, that is the confidence score, and we have begin offset and end offset. So basically it's the index of the string that it is detecting. So then we have tomorrow, then we have millions more jobs, that is type of quantity, American, it is detected as other. Then we have Obamacare as a title. So we might also have a person name. here. Okay, so we have Lyndon Johnson as the person name, and we have Melena. So these are basically an entities. You can obviously go through it. So it has generated a lot of logs. So let's scroll down for the key phrases. Oh, so we are already scrolling through the key phrases. Let me search for it. Key phrases. So it's somewhere above. Let me check here. Yes, here we are. So from here it is printing the key phrases. So basically it gives us the kind of intents from the paragraph. So here it is the roads, then highways, bridges, tunnels. It also basically gives us the long text. So like their parents, a safe school, their choice, my opponent. So these are basically the key phrases that it is it has identified from that paragraph. So guys, that's it for now. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them below. Otherwise, see you next time. Thanks for watching.